Anybody that thinks they're gonna upload my Twitch streams to YouTube, I'm gonna make sure that doesn't happen.
Round one. Fight.
Oh, this guy again? All right, let's restart the lobby. I keep forgetting that I've never let that do to my shit. What the fucking troll, man. All right. You said 500? No.
Yeah.
And how do you dodge all of that? Through the whole kitchen sink at him.
Yeah.
Hate fighting against characters that don't have to put in any work. Hit you 3 times and take your whole stock. Oh, stop! Once I start grabbing you with a Belmont, I'm already in your head. Oh, Mark, bruh. Nah. You didn't work for that, bruh. Next. That was no work required. Absolutely none. So, yeah, you don't deserve to see the windscreen on my...
Revolver theory.
You are a fool to challenge a god.
I'm gonna tell you if it's a funny moment or not. All right. You said, how does it feel to have grandpa glasses on? Well, first off, bitch ass nigga, let me break something down for you. You're not me. These are called Prada blue light filters, bum broke ass nigga. All right. They're blue light filters. I got 20/20 vision. These are Pradas. Don't ask me how it feels to have $1,000 glasses on my face that I'm just using to protect the blue light filters from bouncing off my retinas so that I can keep my pristine vision.
Let's get these jungle f***ers out of here. This is an English stream, motherfuckers. How the fuck?
Bro, this dude's... He's so fucking racist. This is like...
Gonna be from Brazilian computer in a hut.
Guys, I ain't fucking racist. Bro, if we don't have one city on Mars by 2035, or one, like, not a city, but if we don't have like one like greenhouse bubble or something on Mars by 2035, cap. Ah! Bro, I don't want to play this shit. Bro, why would you mirror me, bro? I don't do mirrors. Hold on, let's redo this. You said the wrong character. All right, let's redo it. I don't like mirrors because it doesn't prove anything. I'll see what it's gonna be. It's gonna be a bunch of offstage kills. That's it. YOLO. I hate it when I cannot stand it when Sephiroth players do that. Just that YOLO ass side B bull. Yeah. Yo, Riv, was it Riv? I'm gonna just call you Riv. Thank you for the 3 months. I appreciate it. Yo, where's the thirsty emojis at? All right, no more quitting, guys. I keep forgetting that Smash on Twitch is a lot more thirsty than anywhere else. This is a different breed. Of course, it's a edge kill or something like that. Yeah, you're not getting me with that blue bullshit. And he did. I gotta ask people to play Smash. Do you guys know what recovery frames are? I'm just curious. Or Smashers don't really care about recovery. Bro, this dude is just literally just mashing. Bro, I just can't let no sloppy ass player beat me, bro. Mashing like a mother. Got bunk bed fucking Wi-Fi. Like, nah, bro. That's what I'm saying. That cloud was not the business, bro. I just can't let somebody that plays like that get a game off me. Last time you heard a human being say astronomical.
Round one. Fight.
Am I going to combo breaker? The dude who runs it, every time I try DMing him, he never responds. I would love to go to combo breaker though. If Street Fighter 6 would be there, if it wasn't there, there's no way I would need to go. Yo, shout out for the 10, I appreciate it. I wasn't even paying attention. But combo breaker in 2018 was fun as fuck. Oh, this is some thirsty ass mother. Should kick you out of my tournament for being thirsty, bro. Yeah, this is a troll. I'm gonna kick you out. Is that important for you to win at 3 o'clock in the morning? Yeah, I'm gonna just kick you out of my tournament.
Fight.
Yeah, when the fuck is combo breaker anyway? One thing I don't like about combo breaker is there's really not nothing to eat but junk food there when you go. A grab, 2 jabs and a grab. Yeah, you a nervous scrub. Nervous scrub. This nigga on screen, bro. I'm gonna kick you out anyway. MK9 Nightwolf, yeah, exactly. The fact that I didn't like Nightwolf and MK11 just shows it was a trash game. That's my favorite character. I didn't even like him. I always know when I'm playing a troll because they always block the same setups I do because they spend so many times stalking me and studying me 24/7. You're not getting no prize out of this box. This is this is me playing half-ass at that. Like, ain't nobody playing serious. This thirsty ass dude, man. You thirsty, bruh.
KO. Fight.
Thirsty, bruh. Dude, trying like he about to actually win a tournament. Think you gonna get gold from me in my tournament, Thirsty? Ah.
Perfect.
It is annoying, bruh. You will never be in my tournament again. It's over for you. This is it. Stalking ass online players, bro. Same names jacking off to me back to back to back. Alright, I'm done, bro. I'm not gonna give you niggas satisfaction. Who knows? Somebody trying to troll? Can you be at it? Yeah. It's full, but... Oh, damn, we got the mommy's Wi-Fi on deck. I'm sorry, I can't play you, bruh. Your mom's on that Yahoo bingo. I'm out of here. Let me get your friend code. Yahoo Bingo connection, bruh. Damn, another fucking DK player. Bro, the next person pick DK in my room, I'm kicking you out of my shit. That ass, you're gone. You trying to hit me 2 times and I gotta hit you 50. You're going out of my lobby after this, bro. Matter of fact, you're removed off my list. Alright, so who was that? What was that person's name? You're gone. Bruh, people are playing DK against me to fucking troll.
3, 2, 1, go!
You gotta be like a crazy good Kazuya player to beat me with Kazuya. If you really like don't know what you're doing, you're not beating me with this character. You gotta be like Black Haze or some shit. I'm not really worried about this Kazuya whatsoever. Bro, I'm not worried about this Kazuya. He was missing electrics and all that type of shit. I'm not worried about it. Still not worried about it. This Kazuya's whack. Also, if I just played you and you hop in the lobby again for another turn, I'm gonna kick you. I remember playing you already. Do not double back in my lobby when there's other people that literally are sub to play me. Yeah, you're getting kicked after this, bruh. Yo, why is my pad stuck? Yeah, matter of fact, you're removed off my list. Too thirsty. Your Kazuya sucks. On top of that, you just don't deserve to play me. You keep trying to play me twice, you're gone. That had to be one of the worst Kazuyas I played against. That's a 24-hour suspension. Bro, if you don't change your Switch username, I'm gonna remove you out of my lobby. The Nightbot doesn't have my playlist. Yo, somebody else playing with this ABC 123. This is why I play with the Belmonts, bro. Alright, next. There, you win. ABC 123. Next. I meant to pick a Belmont. If you join my lobby one more time with that stupid name, I'm gonna block you off my list. That's gonna be the last time that I say that. Do not join my lobby with the provocative shit. I actually never played it. Is it good or? I don't know how the fuck you got into my shit. Next. don't see how I'm losing to these trash players, man. Next. I'm just having an off night, clearly.
Watch the flow of my movements as I demonstrate. Keep your hands and heels on the floor. Hold this pose for 30 to 40 seconds. Now, return to your original position.
I missed that.
Watch the flow of my movements as I demonstrate. Feel the stretch in your side.
I'm like losing to the worst fucking players and the most obvious. Camera off until I win. We got another thirsty ass player in here. Beat me in Street Fighter, motherfucker. That corny, kookly ass player. Yo, somebody get this dude out of my shit. Somebody ban this dude. Get this clown out of here, bro.
3, 2, 1.
Alright, I'm done. Fuck this game. I'm not gonna sit here and allow skillless people to beat me in games. You got me fucked up. Damn, he really lost Cole? Oh, shit. What make you just wake up with a rising knee like out of nowhere? Hey, yo, Ferris, will we ever get a Black Summer Season 3? Like, come on, bro. Damn, they really dropped Jabberette like that. That's crazy. No mistakes, huh? I guess one gun? You can't even own a firearm? They're probably like, you know what? We didn't sign NBA Youngboy. We signed one of the next prospects. Yo, this Brian sucks, bro. You're out of my tournament. I'm kicking you, bro. Don't ever join my tournament again. Dead ass, you're kicked. I don't know what the hell you're doing, but you're literally just pressing buttons. This is not Tekken. This is not how you play Tekken. You're trash. You don't even deserve to play me, bro. This is a disgrace.
Great. Final round.
Yeah. I mean, when you have contracts and shit like that, you just gotta play ball. Like, just be a good guy. Like, get this dude out of my damn lobby, bruh. I don't want to see this nigga on screen, bruh. Fuck off my screen. I'm pressing a button on this weirdo. You will never play me in your life again. Bro, fuck this. I'm ready for Smash. This is bull. Man, I'm about to get my chin strapped tomorrow. Fuck it. I'm not about to just keep rocking this. You know, waiting on the rest of the beard to kick in. Bruh. I'm getting... Goatees are ugly, man. Goatee looks whack as hell on me. Alright, I'm gonna just see if I can punish your recovery. And that's probably gonna cost me. Yeah, that's gonna cost me. Bro, come on, 182? Get going. Ah! Why is this dude still alive? Jeez. You already know what this dude's trying to bait. He's trying to bait an offstage kill. A recovery kill. Reset the lobby. This nigga's trash. Yeah, I can rank up off stream. That was the only way I was even able to get whatever rank I got now. But the fun thing is doing it on stream. Who wants to sit there quietly ranking up off stream? Like, I don't want to do that. And somebody else trying to get offstage kills. The next person that fishes for offstage kills and recovery kills for me, you're getting kicked. You trying to get V-trigger again. You just had it. You want more help? How much help you need? Shit, you think I can't control myself? Are you trying to test me, my guy? The only way you are gonna beat my Belmont is by getting recovery kills. You're not gonna do it with authentic stocks. I'm letting you know now. Fucking scrub. Thirsty motherfucker. It said assist. Yeah, he need that. Got a call for an assist. Look, fake ass recovery kill. Not even authentic. Damn, you about to cheat. He's got help, guys. Fake ass dub. I don't know. I really don't fish for collabs like that. Cause I feel like I feel like it's, yeah, like everybody deserves a lob or whatever like that. But anytime I say I want to collab with, well, not say I want to collab, but anytime I try to do anything, people try to label it as clout chasing. But everybody else is allowed to collab. When I literally have my own fucking clout. This motherfucker trying so hard. There's no prize at the end of this box. I guess I'm the prize at the end of the box, but... Stay out my lobby, bro. Boss, let me get an 80,000. Yo, don't tell me this is the same cloud that I was playing earlier. Drive, thank you for the sub. Is this the same person? I'm sorry, there's no enthusiasm for this. I already cooked you like 5 times already. Here, there you go. Boom. Oh my god, I got stocked. Congratulations. Come on, you guys gonna have to sing along when I cut on the commercial. Somebody must have like had that on like an old VCR recording and then was just like, oh shit, let me upload it to YouTube, because you can't find that shit. You can see that shit coming a mile away. Arby's? Yo, what was that country song I made up? Girl, you got those, you're my butterfly. Oh, you got those pretty little eyes. Girl, you're my butterfly. You're my butterfly. Oh, you got those pretty little eyes. A gospel song? How would I even, like, how do you even go about doing a gospel song? I didn't even realize this dude had me on all stocks gone already. Yeah, this shit low-key googly. The fuck? It's only 5 of us that's really gonna be busted. Okay, Brian F, he might get it. Yeah, I think number 5 probably gonna be Brian F. I already said Punk. I said Maximilian, Low Tier God, Punk, Smug, probably Brian F.
Round 1. Fight.
Yeah, Sajum is a sleeper though. Like, he'd be on the low key afternoon streams and shit like that. What's up with this? Oh, this dude probably a troll. Playing with a character you wish that you could fornicate with. Yeah, this is a troll. Bums can never hide the shit. Sorry, you can't get a perfect off me, bum. show this on my screen. Fuck off my shit. Still can't chat? Looks like you can. Look what this dude did. Thanks for the 5. I'll see what the. Let me check out what the video is.
Final.
Yeah, this dude went for the same shit I grabbed right after it. Yo, get off my screen, bro. Here. Damn. This dudes are so thirsty to play me in a video game.
Round 1. Fight.
God, the same weirdos stalking me in every game I play. Bro, you're not getting nothing special for this, bro. It's casual for me. I don't even want to show this dude on my screen. You don't even deserve to be on my TV. For sure is that dude, for sure. Thanks for the prime. That's a new one. I ain't never heard that shit before. I don't look like no fucking LeVar Ball. What is that? Now you gotta have niggas coming here talking about LeVar Ball. Like, I don't look like LeVar Ball, bro. Bro, can you niggas learn how to rank? You don't even deserve to play me with blue rank and your own Wi-Fi. You just gave yourself away. You really did a wake-up rage on it. Just ruined the whole match. I don't even care to win anymore. Troll, I knew it. Playing too thirsty. From now on, if you're a blue rank, I'm kicking you out of my tournament. Just that simple. There will never be a blue rank in my tournament ever again. It's over for you. You see how much time people got on their hand? Fuck! Dude, watch this intro. You'll be on my ban list after this. Stop wasting my time.
Round 1.
Why do you ask for your damn intro?
Fight.
you didn't even know that was a punish? You'll never play in my tournament again. As soon as somebody watches the intro when you're playing me, you're immediately suspended and banned from my tournaments until the end of time. You should feel honored to fucking play me in the first place. If I allow you to do that, and you sit there and waste my time with a fucking intro,
KO.
can't block low. Nervous as hell, bro. I'm nervous, bro. Nervous. Spamming. Of course he's nervous. You feel lucky I even allow you to play me, fucking weirdo. Over just spamming buttons. You will never play me again. Stuck on Wi-Fi. Let's leave these PS4 bums in the past. When it's time for Tekken 8. You're out of my tournament, bro. You will never play me again. This track is always a banger.
Round one. Fight.
I don't think that was a real low period. I think it was like accidental. I really hope we get a new Killer Instinct game too. Oh, this dude really just did an armored move off Wake Up. Dude threw his sword at me. Fuck out here with that shit.
Fight.
Dude, love spamming low parries. I'll just do overheads then. Spamming, bro.
Fight.
We just started off with a hop kick. Fuck out of it. I'll get it for you in a minute. You just spamming low period shit. Bro, who is just waking up with hot kicks, bro? What are you doing? Oh my god, bro. You're suspended, bro. You will never play me again. You're on Wi-Fi and just spamming buttons. You're gone, bruh. when he like came back upstairs and he like let the woman know that her BD was gone. That acting was so bad.
Gosh. I'm getting nervous.
Desgraciadamente para ti, hoy tengo un mal día.
As far as the old one, Roblox and then Smash.
Fight.
Oh, this law looks corny as now compared to the one that's in Tekken 8. Oh, this is a troll. You start doing 10-hit combos, we already know what you're trying to do. You're trying to go viral. Dude, what's up with all these weirdos joining my tournaments, ruining the whole thing? I'm gonna just start kicking everybody that's Wi-Fi. Unless you confirm it's you, I'm literally just gonna start kicking every Wi-Fi warrior in here. Unless you're a sub and you confirm it's you, I'm done, bruh. Bro, y'all niggas are... Yeah, they're doing that shit on purpose. Yeah, it's impossible because they're gonna keep sabotaging it. You said easy clap ad block. All right, we're gonna time you out.
No one is gonna be able to run it at 60 FPS on high. That's what I'm saying. I need a fucking 4090, and I have to add it to my custom loop.
That's probably, I would say that's my worst experience. That's my worst experience as a streamer, hands down. It's Trovo. Like, I deadass wasn't even gonna stream no more.
Not gonna lie, Trovo is shit. I will agree with Dale on that shit.
As a streamer.
Something in common. Hold on. All right. So I want you to compare, right? So compare the images. Tell me you don't see a correlation. Just the mannerisms, you know, like the lip licking and the fucking weirdo shit, you know? Motherfuckers like licking their lips and fucking think they're really sexy and shit.
Suspended for 40. Matter of fact, you're suspended for 72 hours. All right, Solo Reams, thank you for the prime. Or tier 1, I appreciate it. Like, come on, you're
Bro,
trash,
JDX,
bro.
you wanna
just
know what's the
literally
only
keep doing the
Zodiac
same
shit I like?
blatantly.